Hello grade 7. In this video we'll discuss the volume of the cylinder. As you see, the cylinder of a 3D shape which has two circular faces from the top and the bottom, okay, and the face between them is rounded rectangle. So when we calculate the volume of the cylinder, we calculate it from the law, which is by r square h. By I'll give you as 22/7 or 3.13, or even I don't tell you its value, you can leave it as it is. Don't behave with it, just make your answer with by. The second part, by r square means by times r square times h. When we write two symbols or more than two variables beside each other, then the operation between them is times. V cylinder is the volume of the cylinder. R is the radius. When we talk the radius, we look for this. We search for the circle. Where the circle? It is the top or in the bottom, and they are the same. And the radius is the distance between the center of the circle to the edge of the circle, and h is the height. It is the height between the top and the bottom. Okay, let's apply some example. Find the volume of the cylinder. We have r equal, r is the radius of the circle. Where is the circle? This is here. The radius is from the center to the end of the circle. It will be 3. And h, the height from the top to the bottom, it is 10 centimeter. So volume of the cylinder will equal by r square h. I don't give you by, so write it as it is. R square, 3 square times 10. It will be 3 square will be 9. 9 times 10, it's 90 by centimeter cube. Why cube? Because the unit of the volume is centimeter cube, inch cube, meter cube, and so on. The unit of the volume is cubed. Okay, let's see another example. Find the volume of the cylinder. What is 4? 4, it is a dimension related to a circle. So it is a radius. Why radius? Because it is from the center to the end of the circle. So r will be 4. And what is 5? 5 is a distance between the top and the bottom. It will be the height. The volume will be by r square h. It will be by times 4 square times 5. 4 square is 16. 16 times 5 is, let's check, 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 13. See and carry on 3. 5 times 1 is 5 and 3 is 8. It's 80 by centimeter cubed. Another one. Find the volume of the cylinder. What is 2? Radius or height? 2 is inside the circle. It is from the center to the edge of the circle. This is r. And what's 5? 5 is h. So the volume will be by r square h. Will be by times 2 square times 5. 2 square is 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 centimeter, 20 by centimeter cube. Okay, what if I give you the diameter d? D means the diameter. D means the diameter. What I give you the diameter. You know that the diameter equal to radius. So to get radius, just divide the diameter by 2. Once you get the radius, apply the law by volume equal by r square h. Let's see an example. Find the volume of the cylinder. We have 4 on the circle, and this 4 is a distance from the beginning till the end edge of the circle passing through the center, so it is d. It is the diameter. And what is 20? 20 is the height. In law we have radius, not diameter. So how we can get the radius? Simply by dividing the diameter by 2. 4 divided 2 equal 2 centimeter. Okay? And the volume will be by r square h. It will be by times 2 square times 20. 2 square is 4. 4 times 20 is 80. 80 by centimeter cube. Okay? Another one. Find the volume of the cylinder. We have 2 dimensions, 6 and 20. What is 6? Diameter or radius? This is from the beginning till the end, so it is the diameter. So the radius will be d diameter over 2, will be 6 over 2, will be 3. We have the radius now. So the volume will be by r square h, will be by times 3 square times 20. 3 square is 9. 9 times 20 is 180 by centimeter cube. Another one. Find the volume. If you well understood the idea, you can pause the video, solve yourself, and check your answer and replay again. Okay? Find the volume of the cylinder. 6 here is radius or diameter. 6 is pointing to the circle, so it is radius or diameter. Okay? But it is from the center to the edge, so it is a radius. So the radius is already here, so the volume will be by r square h, will be by the radius is 6 by times 6 squared times 10. 6 squared is 36. 36 times 10 is 360 by centimeter cube. The last 2 examples you can solve yourself. Pause the video and replay, check your answer. Okay? Okay. Find the volume of the cylinder. I suppose you have solved the examples and you're checking now. 2. 2 is referring to what? 2 is pointing to the circle. Radius or diameter? It is a radius. Why? Because it is from the center to the edge. So the rule is already here. By r square h, by times 2 square times 15. 15 is the height. Why? Because it is from the base to the top. 4. 2 square is 4. 4 times 15. Let's check it. 4 times 15. 5 times 4, 20. 0 and carry on 2. 1 times 4 is 4, and 2 we have 60. 60 by centimeter cubed. The last one. We have 8 and 25. What is 8? You are checking your answer now. What is 8? It's referring to the circle, so it is radius or diameter. 8 is from the beginning till the end of the circles, so it is a diameter. The radius will be diameter divided 2. 8 divided 2 will be 4 centimeter. The volume will be, we get the radius. Where is the height? The height is 25. It's from the top till the bottom. by r square h equal by times 4 square times 25. 4 square is 16. 16 times 25. Let's check it. 25 times 16. 6 times 25 is 6 times 5 is 30. 30 and carry on 3. 6 times 2 is 11, 12, and 3 we have 15. 0. 1 times 25 is 25. So we have the answer is 400. So we have 400 by centimeter cube. This is all about volume of the cylinder. I'll leave you this document in the description. You can download it and revise it any time you want to do. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time and bye.